everyone, welcome to ECLE 2.0. Today in this lesson we will learn about how can we wishes Diwali different way. So let's get started. Firstly, let's know about Diwali. Significant thing is that we all know that Diwali is celebrated all over the India as well as Asian countries. So we know that Diwali is celebrated everywhere. It is not related to only one religion. Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Buddhist, all religion people celebrate Diwali. So now let's learn how can we wish. Firstly, we know about traditional blessings. So you can say that wishing you and your family a very happy Diwali. May this festival bring joy, prosperity, and happiness. You can also wish these types of things. Another way is that prosperity wishes. So you can say that may the divine lights of Diwali fill your life with health, wealth, and happiness. Happy Diwali. You can also wishes these types of the things, and it will give you different way of to celebration and wishes these types of things like good health and wealth. You can say that may the brightness of Diwali bring good health and happiness to you and your loved ones. Happy Diwali. We can say that and we can wish that. Next type is that it is also easy. You can say that peaceful Diwali. You can also celebrate like that. May the lights of Diwalis illuminate your life and bring peace, joy, and happiness. Wishing you a joyful Diwali. Happy Diwali. We can say that. And you can also use to wishing to someone. You can write message. You can call them. You can also wish these types of things. And you will feel special. And you can make them also feel special. Next is that heartfelt Diwali wishes. You can say that on this auspicious occasion, may all your dreams come true and you find success and happiness. Happy Diwali. You can say that. You can use that. Next type of things is that wish for unity and togetherness. You can say that wishing you a Diwali full of fun, joy, and togetherness with your loved ones. Have a wonderful Diwali. Happy Diwali to all. Joy, Diwali wishes. You can say that may all lights of diyas brighten your path and bring you joy and prosperity. Happy Diwali. So you have different types of the way you can wish them. We have more types. Let's know about personal touch. Okay, according to your wish, which types of the you want to wish them. Happy Diwali. May your days be filled with love, laughter, and celebration with your family and friends. We know that on the occasion of Diwali, we exchange the gift, we exchange the sweets, and so many things. We can give them personal touch. You can write message, you can call them. So you can make them feel special. Next type is that very short and sweet. Happy Diwali to you and your family. I am also saying Happy Diwali to you and your family. You can say also thank you. Spread the light, joy, and happiness this Diwali. So, Happy Diwali to all. I hope this video will be useful for you and it will give you one way to wishing Diwali. So, on the two words of ECLE 2.0, Happy Diwali to all. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.